Hey Robloxians, today I am going to color the most favorite brain rot, strawberry elephant, and also we will color this with the wonderful story. So let's start. In a bright, colorful world, there was a place called Sparkle Jungle. This jungle was not normal and it looked like a Roblox map mixed with a fairy dream. Guys, trees were glowing, leaves were floating in the air like they forget the gravity, and the flowers changed colors every second, and the colors were pink, blue, neon, green, and the jungle made funny sounds. Whoosh, boom, blang, whoosh. And in the middle of this jungle lived someone very special, Strawberry Elephant. He was an elephant, but his skin was strawberry red with tiny seed dots, and his ears smelled like strawberries, and his brain, oh my god, his brain was full brain rot. And he thought about dancing bananas, Roblox of sounds, and random songs playing in his head, and he was saying things, different things. Sometimes he suddenly said, "Strawberry elephant, strawberry, strawberry, everywhere strawberry," and then start spinning in circles. Guys, the other jungle animals watched him. The monkey said, "Why he's like that?" The parrot said, "He's weird." Tiger said he will never be a hero, but Strawberry Elephant didn't care, and he laughed, he jumped, he played. He loved fun, he loved games, and he loved being himself. And what nobody knew was this, that brain rot was about to save the entire jungle. And the jungle's name was Villoria. You know what happened? One summer, the sun refused to set, and the rivers shrank to muddy ribbons, and trees drooped, and animals grew anxious, and the parrot suddenly stopped singing. And then the clouds, they cried out, and they were wondering that what is happening. And then the jungle was dying, but it was not the drought that was the problem. Actually, the heart of the jungle, deep underground, had weakened because long ago the heart made a pact with the sky. The jungle grows, the sky rains, but now the heart was fading, and then mostly animals only felt thirst and hunger, and then the strawberry was not there. Nobody knew where was the strawberry elephant. Now, actually, the jungle needed him, but he was not there. He was actually going to the way to the heart of the jungle, and the jungle guided him with paths of green shoots growing through dry soil, and Strawberry followed, leaving his herd behind. And guys, as he traveled, the jungle changed. The trees twisted, and the roots rose like frozen waves, and the air smelled ancient. At night, the stars seemed unnervingly close, and finally he reached the stone spiral, guided by a glowing tortoise, a knight-like panther, and a shimmering eagle. Guys, when he arrived there, he heard a sound. "You do not belong here," said the panther. And Strawberry said, "I belong to jungle. Even if I look wrong, so I belong here." And then the guardians parted. "Once you reach the heart, you may not return the same," they warned him. But he said, "I'll be okay." And then beneath the spiral lay the heart of the jungle, and it pulsed slowly, fading. When Strawberry approached there, it brightened, and then he remembered he was made for this purpose, and a signal sweet enough to call the clouds back. The heart told him to climb beyond the jungle to the cloud hills, where the clouds were lost, and the climb was treacherous, and the stones shifted, and roots blocked paths, and shadows seemed alive. And then the strawberry's legs edged, and his pink skin became streaked with mud. And at the top, the wind was fierce, and the clouds drifted far above, fragile and thin, and Strawberry Elephant lifted his trunk and trumpeted with all his heart. And then the jungle's heartbeat pulsed through him. Every drop of hope he had flowed upward. Slowly, the clouds began to respond, and they swelled, thickened, and finally gathered, and rain poured down. Not too hard, not too soft, just enough. Rivers filled, trees stretched, and flowers bloomed, and jungle exhaled, alive again. Na 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 na. and Strawberry Elephant was so happy. And when Strawberry returned, the animals bored him. The lions, the monkeys, the birds, they all recognize him, not for his size, but for his listening, patience, and courage, and for what he has done for the jungle and for everyone. And after that, the heart of the jungle pulsed steadily again, connected to the sky, and the clouds never wandered for a long time. And from that day on, whenever the rain fell in the jungle, it carried a faint, sweet strawberry scent, a reminder of the elephant who saved everything by being different. And then someone whispered to him, "You are what the jungle needed, not what it expected." And Strawberry Elephant said nothing, but only nodded. The jungle had been saved. So, the moral of the story: sometimes the one who looks the strangest, the one who seems out of place, is the one who saves everyone. So, guys, just remember, just like Strawberry, each of you is special in your own way. Sometimes people might think you are too different, too small, too quiet, or too unusual. But that is exactly what can make you amazing. Being kind, noticing things others don't, and listening when no one else is listening, and having courage even when you feel afraid. These are the things that can change the world. Just like Strawberry, he didn't save the jungle because he was the biggest or the strongest, but he saved it because he believed in himself, listened to what was needed, and kept going. And even when the path was scary or lonely, he believed himself. And that's exactly what you can do too. If you see someone who needs help, speak up. If you notice a problem, try to fix it. And if you have a dream, don't give up, even if others don't understand. So remember, the jungle needed Strawberry just like the world needs you. It needs you, your ideas, your heart, and your courage. So go ahead, be brave, be kind, be curious, and trust that you can make a difference. Na 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 na